Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some air fried jerk wings, and here are my ingredients that I'll be using. So my chicken has been washed, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of blended seasoning. You can use 2. I'll link the video in the description box. And 4 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. And this one is very hot. And I added some salt. Add salt to taste. I added like a teaspoon of salt, right? But yeah, add salt to taste. And you want to go ahead and mix that up on the chicken and set that aside to marinate for, you can even do at least an hour. It makes it way nicer. But if you can't do it, then yeah, season up your chicken and go ahead. So now I'm gonna spritz some oil or non-stick, a little spray oil in my air fryer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken wings. And because they're going to shrink, you don't necessarily need a lot of space between them, but if you can get a little bit of space, then do that. But you don't need to do it, right? So go ahead and add your chicken wings. And look, did you see how beautifully seasoned these are? I am telling you, just so well seasoned. Now, the reason why I didn't add anything else, as in any garlic powder or any of that, is because, trust me, Vibes fam, the blended seasoning, it has everything in it, and it is so good. I mean, just so potent with all those ingredients and flavors. So Vibes fam, now we are gonna flip these over. So that was the first 9 minutes, and now we're gonna flip them over. So maybe you don't necessarily have to flip them over, but if you want them to be nice and crispy, trust me Vibes fam, flip them and then continue and give it the other 9 minutes, and it will be all done and looking so good. But yeah, flip them over, and I'm telling you, they smell so good. Do not judge it by saying no, 2 little ingredients. Yes, 2 little nice ingredients that has all the flavor. So yeah, go ahead and flip those over. And Vibes fam, by the way, please like this video. Don't forget to like the video. Click the like button. It helps my channel. Thank you so much. So cover that up. And that is it, all done, right? And then now we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the chicken, right? And yeah, this is the last batch. It sure is the last batch. So flip them again, flip them all the way over. Give them a nice little flip. Yes, Vibes fam, as I was saying, yes, so please like the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And then, yeah, go ahead now and continue to flip over, flip over those wings. Look at them. Looking so wingalicious. Looking so good. And them taste even better than them look. Yes, Vibes fam, just all that. So this is it, Vibes fam, all done. This is everything. Look at it, Vibes fam. Look at the beautiful color that they have. aren't they looking just gorgeous, just magnifico, looking so goodu. You just want to get all up in there. So Vybz fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, I mean, I'm telling you, you see it look really jerky. It look jerky, right? It look like the real official thing. I'm telling you, so good, so good, nice and healthy. You know, no oily ting and ting. It just so good. And as I said, just flip them over and you get the nice little crisp on them. So delicious. But yeah, Vybz fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go and follow me over on Instagram, please, and on Facebook. Thank you so much. God bless you, and thank you for your support. God bless you.